to Richmond Hill. We're going to see George at Universal Auto Techs, and he's got some tires for Project Super 71. So we're going to drive to Richmond Hill, get the tires installed on our Sprint Stars, and head back to Orangeville and basically put them in storage, because it's a long time away before the car is going to be done. But at least we have something in case we need to put them on, to do measurements, to make sure everything's going to clear right, and it's just something on the checklist that's going to get done. So here we go. Okay, we're here at Universal Auto Techs, and we're waiting for George so we can get tires for Project Super 71 on the Sprint Stars. So here we are, and we're ready to go. Just waiting for George, wherever he is. Come on, George. Where are you? We got these guys, 185, 60, 15. And for the back, we got 205, 65, 15s. So they're going on the Sprint Stars. Okay, I'm all done here. We had the tires installed really quickly. So the guys at Universal Auto Techs, they worked really efficiently, got the tires installed on the rims and loaded back into my car. So now it's time to go drive back to Orangeville. So let's go get these tires in the garage, see what they look like, and I guess put them back into storage for now, but it's super exciting. Okay everybody, we're back from Richmond Hill, and we're in Orangeville with our Sprint Stars, with our set of tires installed. Obviously the car's not done, so we can't put them on just yet. I'll put them up into storage for now, but we can check that off the list. We have the tires all put together, all the wheels ready to go, and you got to do it at some point. So now it's done. Check it off the list, and when we get closer to finishing the bodywork, we can put them on and test everything out and make sure nothing's rubbing before we go for paint. Okay, so that's it, and yeah, we'll see you next time.